Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I'm not alone, I'm here with my buddy
Neo Gunloc.
Because he is the master of Neo Geo.
No, I'm a big fan. Especially Gears Howard. He's my boy.
So I was thinking, man, I need to call my buddy Neo Gunloc. We need to make this review together. We're going to make a review about the multi-game card for your Neo Geo MVS.
161 in 1.
A pretty huge collection for a Neo Geo system. I think it is one of the common cards you can find everywhere. This version, it can be used on the AES version with a converter, but it is not recommended. It's going to give you a lot of problems.
Unless you have a Unibios and a converter, because you can't pop it in just like that.
Indeed. There is, by the way, nowadays on, I think it was AliExpress, for example, we're having this 161 in 1 AES version. It's exactly the same card. I'm very curious what kind of games are we going to get. Is this worth our money? And yeah, we're going to play some Neo Geo games. And what I've noticed, this thing goes in very tight. So, a little bit of a downside.
It's gonna be good. Don't worry. It's all good.
Okay, so we've plugged it in the system. And we're going to do a little overview. And this is the part where I needed Neo Gunloc because I am a little bit familiar with the games, but he is the Neo Geo master.
You give me too much credit, but I'm a big fan.
But the reason why I wanted to have your opinion in this video, and this, especially this part of the video, is because I want to show the games that are on this multi-game card. I want to have your opinion. I see a lot of Plus Editions, Evo, 13. Yeah. To be honest, it doesn't say anything to me.
A lot of them are hacks or homebrews. For example, in a lot of these KOF games, you can play as the bosses.
Alright.
So they're hacked, so to speak. And I see a lot of KOF games.
Many KOF games.
Yeah. The shoot 'em ups. Rage of the Dragons. Now, for those of you that don't know, it's a one-on-one fighting game. And it's supposed to be a sequel to Double Dragon, but they couldn't get the license out. So they had to change a few things, but essentially it's a Double Dragon game.
So what I really like about it is that it has almost all the games from Metal Slug. It's missing out number 5. So that's a little bummer. They have this Metal Slug 6. That's an hex version.
I believe so, but I'm not sure.
A little bit weird, but again, here comes the part when I go into the next page. We're having the Metal 6 Plus. So that is pretty weird.
That should be a hack version as well.
Super sidekick, so the people love the football games. Pretty cool, they put it on here.
Or soccer for you Americans.
Yeah, soccer. Fighter swords, Sengoku.
A Nightmare, I forgot the entire title, but I believe that was never released on AES. Also not an MVS, but I'm not sure of that.
Okay, so the list is, the beginning of the list is a lot of hack games, a lot of double games, so to be honest.
The Blazing Star, oh my god. Go back, yeah, Blazing Star, one of the best shoot 'em ups ever.
So let's be honest, there are not 161 games, need to link it, a little peek. But and overall, this is what you're going to get with the list. There are a lot of great games on over here. We have, and again, KOF games. What the hell is KOF 2002 Ice Blues? What the hell?
A hacked one.
So yeah, this is what you're going to get with the list. There are a lot of great games on this multi-game card.
Especially your two favorite games, Breakers and Breakers Revenge.
So what I think is really cool, this multi-game card has been ported to the AES, so to the home console version, so that is pretty cool. It's exactly the same card, or the menu and the games, etc, etc. Alright, so we're going to try some games and let's see how they run.
Okay. Keep watching, people.
Alright, let's try Metal Slug. How does it work? Lower the volume.
Great game this.
Yes, and it looks amazing.
Yeah. Also one of the most expensive games for the AES.
Yeah.
Alongside Kizuna and Kali.
Oh, that thing is really expensive. Okay, it seems to be running just fine.
Here we go.
Oh, you're ready to join the party.
Yeah, of course. Take that, Fritz.
Oh, sorry, grab that.
That's okay, man. That's okay.
Right. You gotta have the machine gun again here. Sure. Destroy the chopper! He's destroyed.
He's destroying us!
Alright, Arrow Fighter 3. Let's use the first one, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's shoot some bad guys.
Oh, that sound of the joystick over there.
I love it.
Oh man, I love this controller version.
Yeah?
Yeah. I need to get one of my. I need to get one.
You should. Fuck.
We already get destroyed.
I think so, yeah. Again.
Going great.
I'm not the best in shoot 'em ups, people.
Oh!
Give me the cash, give me the cash, give me the cash.
Oh, that is really cool.
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to play his favorite game, Legend Star.
No, my favorite shooter.
Your favorite shooter, sorry, correction, his favorite shooter. But I really like it because of the graphical aspect of this game.
Yeah, there are a lot of cool effects. Where's my girl? Where's my girl?
Get ready.
Come on, baby, let me fight. Take a look at the graphics.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Do you know what year it was?
I'm not sure. 96, 97? Lucky. Try to collect all these letters, yeah. And you can also hold the fire button and then release for a powerful attack. If you get the chance.
Like that.
Yeah.
Cool. You shouldn't use the bomb.
No, you shouldn't.
And I'm forgetting that. Okay, of course I'm going to press the wrong button, or... Oh, okay. No, you cannot play this at
No, at the same time.
the same time. You can play now.
Oh, yeah.
See? I told you.
Oh, I have a pink ship, how lovely.
Oh yeah, you got the pink shit.
Also, for those of you that don't know, there's a Mega Drive Genesis version of this game out as well.
But I think it's not that great or what.
It gets mixed responses. This is a great game, this. I love the perspective, the viewpoint, if you will.
Use the bomb! Use the bomb! Use the bomb!
Die by my hand, I creep across the land, killing firstborn man. Yeah, I'm a Metallica fan, people.
Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding this multi-game card, I think at this moment it's one of the best multi-game cards out there because there are not many for the MVS. They ported it to the AES. If you look at the AES, that's pretty cool. They can play a lot of great games on the AES system. But for the MVS card,
My big complaint is that there are a lot of hacked games on there.
so basically it's not the 160.
No, it's a lot less. It's still cool to have. You have access to a lot of Neo Geo games. Not only fighting games, but also shoot 'em ups, beat 'em ups, a few puzzlers, even a few racing games, I believe. But
Here's what you're going to get.
yeah,
They're not very expensive for the MVS, so keep in mind the AES is pretty damn expensive nowadays.
it is, yeah.
But this is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and check out Neo Gunloc gaming channel.
Love you people if you do.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Later.